Hi guys, see today we are going to see the same setup that is live streaming on a low end PC, but I'm not going to show you guys the entire setup. I will just show you the basic setups. First, let me show you this. Guys, see, these are the things that you need to follow step by step, one by one. I have also I have also mentioned this same setup in the description, so check it later. So your first step is installing streaming software. I am using XSplit broadcaster, so I can show you guys the set. You guys know how to install it. Just simple, click next. That's it. I have mentioned you guys one link in the description. If you go, you will see my drive. You guys will see all these things: FFMPEG, Streamlabs, WO Mic. Actually, this one application for Android. The two is for PC. This WO Mic only you need to install if your system does not have a mic. If you are having inbuilt mic, there is no issues. You don't need to install these things. I think you guys will see in-game audio also. You can hear it. Just ignore it. Let me reduce it a little bit. Okay. So first download this XSplit broadcaster, which is 166 MB. You need to download all these guys. So 166, 220, around 230 MB. So you need to download all this. Install this software XSplit and FFMPEG. This software is not actually installation. You need to copy and paste it in a separate folder. I will tell you what to do after that. For example, I have downloaded and saved into. Let me show you. Here I have saved it. I have only gave you guys this one file, because this single file is enough to do screen mirroring in Android. The way how I am going to do the streaming setup is, I will transfer my mobile screen into my desktop using this FFmpeg software, and for inbuilt audio I am using an aux cable. So these two are must for audio and video. And if you guys don't have mic, install WO Mic app in mobile, so you can set it up in your PC also. So here I have already connected it. You can see connect option is disabled because I have already connected and using it. Actually, compared to the normal mic, this application will do better performance, better voice quality. So I prefer this WO Mic only. What it will do is little bit additional stress on your mobile, but I'm using Poco F1, so there is no need for me to worry about it. And I will show you guys. Let me go through the step one by one. So first, install this software. I have already installed, and here it is. Here you need to set up. So this 1 second, guys. So you need to set up this streaming software, that is bitrate, audio, overlay, all those stuffs you needed. You can see in the bottom desktop, that is I am showing you this content. And second one is 1 second, guys. If I just remember this, desktop and one GIF file, YouTube chat, pipe, that is my screen, live count. I will hide this desktop now so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So as you guys can see, on top, that is pipe, my screen mirroring. On bottom you will see one GIF image. Actually this is a GIF image. I'm using this as an overlay, and I have disabled the YouTube chat, live chat, just for this video. While I'm doing the normal live, I will turn it on. So like guys, you what you need to do is just I'm having this file in downloads. You can go and in layout you can crop as you like in this software XSplit. If you are using OBS, I have no idea, guys, because I have installed but I have not tried it, so leave it like that. Okay, we will go for next. I have not completed it. Here what you need to do is click broadcast, click set up new output. I have already set up and live is going on, so I can show you guys what you need to do is click this setup. You need to add your Gmail ID to make sure your YouTube channel is coming here. Then go to setup, and right now I can't do anything because I'm live streaming is already going on, but I will tell you what you need to do. For low end PC, to just set up video sizes, go here. I'm sorry because I can't show it to you right now. But you just click this settings icon. In the settings icon you will see video size. Set it as 1280 720. Do not go for 1980 if you don't have a powerful PC. And bitrate, don't use 4000. Start it from 1600 1500. That is the minimum requirement. And preset, you will see I have set it to very fast, that is default. You can set it to ultra fast. Again currently I can show you guys. If you click the settings, you will see you can change the preset value. You can change this video settings. So change preset to ultra fast, which will be available on top for low end PC, and set the screen resolution as 1080 to 720 and bitrate to 1600. These are the three things you need to set up for a low end PC. If your PC is performing better, first increase this bitrate little by little. Don't go over 2000 for low end PC. Start it from 1500, little bit increase it. You can see your CPU usage here. If it is going more than 70, I don't recommend you guys for going for more bitrate. I have tried in my government laptop, which I have set bitrate as 1600 and preset as ultra fast. That PC goes around 80 plus. So that is the minimum requirement I can do for the that is the minimum thing I can do for that do for government laptop. So you guys do the same. So set it as 1600 bitrate, ultra fast preset, 1280 to 720 screen resolution. Then for FPS, go here on top right, you will see frame rate. Set it to 30 fps. Don't go for 60 fps for low end PC. Then this setup is over. I will go for next. So step 1 installation over. Step 2 setting up the streaming software is over. This is for PC. Third one is installing WO Mic. You guys can see WO Mic for Android and PC, two setup. If you install both setup, you will see in software, go to settings, you will see in microphone WO Mic. So you can, I have set it to default because I don't have any other mic installed, so I have set it to default. It will automatically work. If you guys having any trouble, set it to microphone and set it to default speaker. Don't change this for audio. And okay, we will go for next one. I am only telling you guys this for system. I will go for mobile little bit later. So setting up in this PC over. And last one is FFMPEG. This is the software we are going to use for the screen mirroring, which will give you the screen with 10 to 15 millisecond delay, which is 15th of 1000 in second. So you guys won't see any lag, so don't worry about any lag. So this will be the best software that I have tried so far. There is another option available with me. Since I'm using Windows 10 and it has Wi-Fi, there is a Connect application available, and with projecting to PC also I can do the screen mirroring. What it will do is it will give me 200 to 250 millisecond delay. So if I shoot in a game or speak in a game, you guys will hear in a live stream with that point not half, around 250 milliseconds delay. So don't go for that screen mirroring method. Go for FFMPEG. As I told you, download this single file, save it into your PC anywhere. Just the single file is enough. Then what you need to do is go to search advanced system setting. You will see, go in that third tab, advanced, go to environmental variable. You will see path on top. You will also see path on bottom. Choose anything. Both will be fine. In Windows 10 or Windows 7, both you will, in both systems you will see advanced. In advanced environment settings, in environment you will see path. Click edit. As you guys can see, I have already added the same file. What you need to do is click here, click on the top of this place. If you click, you will see the exact, sorry guys, if you click here, you will see you guys will see the exact address of this location. You just copy it and go back to that setting, click new and paste it. Since I have already did the same thing, I'm canceling it now. So but you guys do the same thing and click OK. If it is Windows 7, what you need to do is you guys will actually only see single line. You guys will not see this many lines. So what you need to do is put this symbol, semicolon, this one, semicolon, then paste that file. So you will already see so many software installed in the same format. You need to additionally do your last setup, the semicolon symbol and the location where you have saved the file. So this one is done. I'm cancelling everything since I have already done this. Now going back to this file. Now in system everything is over, guys. Now it's up to your mobile. In mobile you need to do Streamlabs. You need to install WO Mic. I have already gave you this Streamlabs and WO Mic in my drive. I have given you the link in the description, so don't forget to check it out. So let me wait guys, let me go back to my mobile. So in your mobile, guys, you can see I have already installed this Streamlabs as well as WO Mic. So what you need to do is, I have already started this, so I can't stop you guys. If I stop you now, you guys won't be able to hear the I will stop it for a second. I will tell you what need to do. Just my voice, you guys won't be able to hear my voice. Just see what I am doing. Yeah, as you guys probably seen it now. You need to you need to go to this setting and set it to Wi-Fi. Then after you guys set it to Wi-Fi, in the voice, choose the last one, voice recognition, I think. If you choose that way, your voice will be more clearer. It will be clear compared to the other things. And you can set the volume level, set it to around 70%. So if you guys go for more, you guys will see some noise in the background. So don't go for more. Set at this one. And in system, you need to do is same thing. If you click connect, you will see the IP address. One second, guys. What you need to do, once you have done that same thing in Android, in mobile, I mean in your laptop, you need to click connect, select Wi-Fi option. In Wi-Fi option, it will ask you the IP address. That IP address you need to give it to this. When you're connecting, it will ask for the IP address. Give the same IP address, click connect, it will get connected. You guys will hear the audio. If you wanted to test it out, in option, select play in speaker. So when you speak, it will reflect in your it will talk back to, it will play in your speaker. So you guys can able to clear how you guys able to listen how clear the audio is. Let me go back to next step. So WO mic setup in Android and system is over. Now the Streamlabs. This is the last part, a little bit tricky. So if you do any mistakes in this, the streaming will be very poor, guys. So let me go back to my Android. Guys, open your open Streamlabs application. You don't need to click this link, LAN streaming. I have already streamed you need to first click this icon, that is screen capturing. That is primary step. If you do it, it will start to capture your screen. You need to set up your capturing settings here. Go to settings, go to broadcast setting, set output resolution 720p, frame rate at 30. Don't go for 60 if you have a low end PC. Maximum bitrate, since I'm using Poco, I have set it to 13, 10, 8, anything I will set it. So for low end PC, set it to 2500 or 3500. Then go back to where you have been. In that you need to, it will automatically ask you for screen recording. Click yes, then click this LAN streaming. Since I have already started, it is showing get streamable URL stop, only 2 options, and you need to connect it to Wi-Fi to make it work. If you don't connect it to Wi-Fi, it will show the same thing, but you can't able to see it in your system. You need to connect to the same Wi-Fi in both mobile and your PC. Click streamable URL. One second, guys. If you click streamable URL, you can open your Chrome. You will see one web address using FFMPEG. Don't go for this one first. Sorry, don't go for this one. Go for the last one. So what you need to do, guys, just look at this website. Look at this IP address 192.168.0.100. Put guys, put the same IP here, 192 dot, sorry, here I have already mentioned. For me, this is the IP address, since I have connected to my Wi-Fi in my mobile. If you guys connect in your home, it will be little bit different. So it will be little bit different. So mention that IP address and copy this, exactly copy this. Then what you need to do is open one notepad, paste it. Sorry, I have not copied the thing. I have copied and pasted, and you can see there is one gap is there. Don't leave the gap, don't leave any gap. So if you click Control, it should only show this, and save as anywhere. I'm saving it in a desktop. Set it to, since I'm doing screen mirroring, I'm mentioning mirroring, and don't forget to change this format. Set it to all files, select dot batch, BAT. Only if you do save in this format, it will work. So I have saved and close the file. If you guys go back to desktop, where is it? Here you can see mirroring. I have already saved one file named Poco F1, that is actually running right now. You guys can see, because of this only this thing is popping up. So if I run the same thing again, it will do the same thing. So this is how it will work. So yeah, here you guys can see it started, but I'm going to close it. The reason is I have already running one more thing, so it will get affected if I do anything wrong. So let's go back to last step. So as of now, you guys install the Streamlabs software that is for streaming. You have set it up bitrate 2600, and if you don't have mic, install this WO mic and set up as audio. If you guys need any overlay, set it up. And FFMPEG, you need to copy the file into anywhere location. Go to advanced system option, and you need to copy paste the address of where you have pasted this one file. Then install Streamlabs in Android, WO mic in Android if you don't have any mic in your PC, and set in Streamlabs that local streaming. Once you have done, you need to this copy this thing and paste it into a notepad, save it as a batch file, open it, you will see your desktop. So the final thing is audio. Let me show you again the same what you need to do. Here you guys can see this is an aux cable that I have connected into my mobile, so I can show you guys this. On the bottom I have connected it to my PC. There will be three slots available. One is pink color, another one is green color, third one. So there is three slots available in my PC, guys. First one is pink, second one is blue, third one is green. Green is for your PC speaker. Ignore it. You can use pink or blue, anything as your line in input for your Android. So what you need to do, this go to sound settings, click sound control panel. So in that, go for recording. I have already see I'm using this Realtek HD audio manager software. So in that also I can able to set it up. See, I have set it as line in, rear pink. I have set it as pink as line in. Here you guys can see, right click, connector retasking. So if I change it to line in, it will change it to line in. It is actually for mic, but I have changed it to line in. And green is say I have set it to speaker out, that I can I'm not going to change anything. So I have done this change. If I do it, it will show this thing, pink color, that is enabled. You guys can disable any other thing, so you guys won't be get affected by anything else. And here you guys can see WO mic I have installed and set it up in my PC. So here it is showing, and this line in is connected from my Android to PC using an aux cable. Here also I have reduced the volume little bit. The reason is, if you guys increase it to 100%, if you don't have a good quality of aux cable, you guys will listen some noise in the audio. So I have disabled it. And one more thing I forgot, go to listen, set it to your headset. You set it to default speaker if you don't have any speaker. Set it to what I have done is, with Bluetooth I have connected my Bluetooth headset to my PC and selected Bluetooth headset in here. So whatever the audio that is coming through line in, it will also hear heard by people in the live streaming, as well as you can hear in your Bluetooth speaker. If you don't have Bluetooth in your PC, or you don't have with you, what you need to do, buy a splitter, aux splitter, a 3.5 jack to 1:2 splitter. So connect one aux cable to your PC and connect one wired headset to your ears. So this will also work. So you don't need to go for Bluetooth if you don't have it. In advance, don't forget to check 2 channel, because or else you guys won't be able to hear where the enemy is coming from. Then I think everything is I have completed. If you guys have any doubt, just mention in the comments. I will immediately let me know as soon as I got that. comment. So for you guys, let me show you one arcade gameplay, and I'm not a good I'm not a pro, so I won't be playing better. Guys, use headset. So if you guys using headset, you guys will hear audio in stereo, so you guys will get good streaming experience. And one more thing, guys, I'm completely gyroscope player. So if you guys check my settings, you guys can see I have disabled everything. Complete gyroscope player. Guys, just this one match. Okay. No. Man, I'm dead. I told you guys I'm not good. Anyway, let me watch how my teammates playing. Kettavan, what is he doing? Next one. Okay, anyway guys, you guys will this is just only for testing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you guys have any doubt, just put a comment in live stream or in the comment section, so I will reply as soon as possible, guys. Okay guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.